Hey, it's Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to give a quick preview of the Akai MPC Studio 2 customizable skins, now available at styleflip.com. Check us out. This is the Akai MPC Studio 2 customizable skins, available now at styleflip.com. Upload your own image, create your own design right on our site. We'll ship you a skin that's easy to install and will not damage your product. The skins are removable. They come off clean, and they actually protect your product from wear and tear. We ship worldwide. This is the Akai MPC Studio 2. Check us out online at styleflip.com. We customize over 2,000 pieces of equipment, and we ship worldwide. Styleflip.com. Let us know what you think.